In this video we are talking about what you need to know before using a data center for your business. Welcome back to our channel for a brand new video. Let's face it, your business is no longer a one-person operation. It's growing and scaling, with a slew of valuable information and data changing hands from employee to employee. It took a lot of effort to get the wheel turning, and having it all come crashing down would be a nightmare. You can't just leave your most important files on a vulnerable hard disk drive and hope for the best. You must consider long-term data storage and protection. You will require a data center. Here are some things to think about before deciding on a data center for your company. If you are new here, so make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. What does a data center provide? A data center provides a physical location to centralize all of your company's critical data and applications. These facilities, which are built with secure and dedicated server infrastructure, provide essential security and storage features to keep your data safe and accessible, as well as a variety of connectivity options to keep you online. A data center is also responsible for keeping an enterprise running, from enabling high-volume transactions to managing backup data. They also are integral in empowering key technology initiatives, including cloud computing, big data, and disaster recovery planning. There are a few things you'll need to take into account before using a data center. 1. Location. Depending on the size of your business, you'll want to be strategic when selecting a data center location. If your company is regional, select a data center within the same country or continent, such as Macquarie data centers. This is done so that your staff can easily physically access the site if necessary, and that you are not reliant on international connectivity in the event of a power outage or other emergency. 2. Service level agreements. When looking for a data center, make sure they have a strict service level agreement, SLA. An SLA is a document that outlines the data center providers and the customer's expectations and responsibilities. It should include information about network uptime, power, cooling, connectivity, support, and security. 3. Facility security. The security of your data is critical, so make certain that the data center you're using has top-notch security measures in place. To begin with, the facility should have a physical security system in place to deter and detect intruders. Biometric scanners, walk-through metal detectors, CCTV cameras, and security guards are examples of such devices. Additionally, the data center should have extensive environmental controls in place to protect against fire, water damage, and other disasters. For service and support. Many businesses prefer data centers to cloud services because they have a dedicated team of IT professionals on hand to manage and support their infrastructure. When selecting a data center, ensure that they have a qualified team of IT engineers on hand to provide emergency support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They should also be able to monitor your systems proactively, provide support to your in-house staff, and deploy any systems required for your business to continue operations and scale. 5. Reliability and backup power. A good data center will have backup plans in place for any eventuality. In the event of a power outage, they will have backup generators and uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, to keep your systems running. They should have temperature cooling measures in place 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to keep your systems from overheating. This helps to extend the life of your equipment and avoid data loss. Furthermore, they should provide a variety of connectivity options for both local and international lines, allowing your business to remain connected even if one internet line fails. A good data center does not draw attention to itself, it should operate quietly and without incident. Thank you for watching the video.